guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I have some new items that I've listed, so I thought I'd share with you today. Some new items from Art Gone Wild, Inky Antics, and Darcie's. So we have this little sample board here that I want to share. This is from their new stamp set here with the record player. And let me share this stamp with you. So this is called Vinyl Record. So you get your record, you get this one here that says on today's playlist, just a note, and then these notes here. And then what's fun is all these little sayings here can be stamped right on the record as the title of the record, which is really fun. Beacon Audio, you can stamp on the record as well, so that's in here. And you got all kinds of sayings. And they're kind of like songs. Every step you take, looks like you made it, best day of your life, it's your party. So they're like songs but sentiments. So I think that's really, really fun. And then we've got this little sandwich here that you can make, added to a little glassine bag. So the sandwich goes inside the glassine bag, and then when the person gets it, they can take it out. Happy burger, and then have all the layers with sentiments underneath them. I mean birthday. Hope your day, and the last one says, is lots of fun. And then fun is crossed out. And that is from the stamp set, Create a Burger, Build a Burger it's called. So you get all the layers there and the sentiments that I just mentioned. And hope your day is lots of fun. Let us say happy burger, I mean birthday. Totally fun. So then for this next sample here, we've got a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And that's from the PB&J sandwich stamp set. So you get your layers and then the knife. And then these sentiments read, we make a great pair. Our friendship is like peanut butter and jelly. Who cares if the jelly drips onto your shirt and the peanut butter sticks to the roof of your mouth? So a fun little set. Make a little sandwich. And then this is really, really cute. This little sandwich in a little baggie. And then the person can open it up and then read all the layers. Put the little sentiment on the back. Our friendship is like peanut butter and jelly. Who cares if the jelly drips on your shirt and the peanut butter sticks to the roof of your mouth? We make a great pair. Isn't that cute? And then this last sample here is a pizza box. When you open it, you get your little pizza with all the layers and then the sentiment on the back. No matter how you slice it, no one can top you. You're supremely awesome. And then how they connect all these layers is with the piece of acetate. And then there is a template on my website under this listing on how to create the pizza box. And that stamp set looks like this. So you get all the little layers there and your sentiments. So I thought those stamps were super fun and new from Darcie's. So we've got this one here, it's called Colorful. So it's kind of like a school themed. We've got You Make My Life Colorful, Teacher, Mom, You Made My Year Colorful, Oh Snap, and You Just Right for Me. You're just right for me. And then we've got the tin pins to coordinate with this one. And I thought these two stamps went perfect with that, so I brought these out. I only have a few left of these. And doesn't that go perfect with that stamp set? So you might already have these in your stash. These are a few releases ago. Then we have the coffee one. This one here is called Expresso Gratitude. I love coffee images. This one's really, really cute. This is your iced frappuccino maybe, or an iced coffee with whipped cream. And then we've got this one here. And they got cute smiley faces. Your class was a latte fun. Teacher, thanks a latte. Mom, I cannot expresso how much you mean to me. So here are the 10 pins. So these stamps are great for teacher cards and Mother's Day cards. This one's called Nacho Type. This one's very, very funny. I love the sentiments on this one. So we've got this little cactus here and a taco. He's got a martini in his hand. And it says, Happy Cinco de... This one, it says, Happy Cinco de Drinko Mayo. If you don't like tacos, I'm nacho type. Fiesta, siesta, tacos, repeat. I love that one. And then the 10 pins for that. So those are really, really fun from Darcie's. I did restock from a few releases ago the bundles for these Inky Antic stamps. This one is the coffee mug bundle. So you get the stamp, the die, and then this fun reversible sequence fabric. And then you can flip the sequence to reveal a different color, which is so much fun. And then I have the wine one, so you get the wine glass with the die, and then this color reversible fabric. And then I got one more, which is the mermaid. So you do the mermaid tail, which is super fun. We have 2 stencils from Art Gone Wild. We have the Brick Vortex and the multiplying rectangles. Very neat patterns there. Speaking of stencils, I got the new Pink and Main blender brush, which I heard lots of good things about. So I will share how this looks. So we got the little holder, it's got their logo on it, and then these super soft bristles. So it's rounded and it's flat, and you'll just hold the blender brush like this. So a lot of people found that when they're blending their backgrounds, they're actually not holding it from the handle, they're holding it from here. So that's why they designed it this way. And I'll just sit in your little holder. So that is available in the shop. And from Trinity Stamps, I had a second box come in, so I didn't get to share what was in that box. So here's some of the stuff that are still in stock. So the Trinity Stamp release was selling out really fast, but I do have a lot of great ones left. We've got the 4-bar card builder die set, which is really nice. So if you want to make a 4-bar card size, we've got some layers here with stitching, and then this really great piece on the inside here to have a little frame with the scallops facing inward. It comes with a tag and a tag placard and 2 banners. So that's a really nice die. This one is called So Appreciative. And then here's the coordinating die. So it's going to cut out this very nicely for you. And I like that it cuts the inside here a little bit. We've got Thanks for Being You. I Appreciate You. We've got You're the Best. I Love You So Much. I Really Do. Got some little hearts, stars, swiggle lines, dashes, and some little elements to decorate. And the die will cut all those things out for you. And then this one, Totally Amazing. So you get your mom, dad, friend, congrats, you're totally amazing, hip hip hooray, yay, and you did it. And then there's some confetti included. And look at the die. So here's the coordinating die. So cut out your little words here and the little stitching and the confetti. So that's a nice die to have. The deal of the day right now is this Darcie stamp set, perfect for Mother's Day. It's the deal of the day. It lasts for 24 hours and then the deal changes out. And you can pick up the stamp today for $2.99. So these are really cute. These are their smaller size stamp sets. Just jam-packed full of little images to create a little fun scene. So this one here is called A Rare Friend. And we've got this, his arms facing inward so he could be holding things, which is really, really cute. We've got You're a Gem, You're on Fire, You're a Treasure, You're a Rare Friend. So you can kind of create your own sentiment there. You can put them on the little skateboard. You could also even mix and match little items. So there's one with roller skates that you could probably put on this guy. Hugs and Squishes. The sentiments read, sorry I forgot your birthday. Hope your day is a splash. Hugs and Squishes. That's a cute little turtle there. There's a little lily pad for this little frog and some little cattails, a little fly, and a couple of more little flies there. I hope it was riveting is the sentiment. So he's perfect for the little frog. And then here is the coordinating die. And this one is unbelievable. I did show this one, I believe. Yeah, I couldn't remember what he was. So he's a Bigfoot or a Sasquatch. And then Let the Good Times Roll. I'm not sure did I show this one. But this one's with the little roller skates that you could put on the other guys. Super cute. And oh, I think it was Davina on Instagram. She did a card with this and she put little googly eyes on this guy and they fit perfect in there and it looked so cute. And then we've got Dirty Bunny. So this one's super cute. I love how this guy is drawn and he looks like he's dusty. And then the die actually cuts around the arms so you can slide in these little images here, which is really, really cute. And then look at the little sentiments you can stamp right on that mug. Eat my dust. I'll clean after coffee. A latte dust. Dust for you. Dust management. Coffee keeps me hoppin'. Bunny Brew 24 Karat Cafe. Some Bunny loves coffee. Milk and Bunny. Bunny Brew. Another cup bites the dust. Just let the dust settle. World's best bunny. A hard rabbit to break. Dirty. That's so cute. And then this one is the You Rock. Oh, I did show this one. And then these, I have a few left. This is the Beehive Bunch mix. So you get a bunch of bees in here, different sizes. So you can just paste them onto your card or use them as shaker bits for a shaker card. And this one is the Love Bunch. So you get different sizes of little ladybugs. And then this one is the Confetti Mix Melted Icicles. So these are sequins with no holes, just a clear, pretty color. And then cracked ice. That's really pretty. So they're like enamel dot shaped pieces, but with cracked little confetti inside. Super pretty. I think I only have one left on one of these and then two left, so those ones are almost out of stock. And for Picket fence, I grabbed a few items from the new release. These little circles here, which would make a fun background. I could picture this stamped out in gold, heat embossed with gold. That would look really pretty. And this one is called the BFF My Tribe. So we've got really cute, just cut out your square panel and then stamp this and then have your sentiment and your card will be done. And just have fun coloring in all the sleeves, different rainbow color you could do. You could do everyone with a different skin tone. You could have a lot of fun with the stamp set. And then we've got the Never Fake a Sarcasm stamp set. So we've got some large sentiments in here. Sarcasm, my love language. I love your sarcastic soul. I think your response should be 2 words and 1 finger. You can achieve anything with a little sarcasm and profanity. I have never faked a sarcasm in my life. And then we've got some stencils. So 4 different stencils from Picket Fence here. Some stars. This one is the pineapple flower pattern. And then this one is Knots Scales, it's called. That'd make a nice background for a mermaid too. So that is everything, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. And I will catch you real soon in the next video. Take care, guys.